That and this cactus used to be one scion. How did I do it? Keep watching. Look at this cactus. It looks great, right? But it was not like this before. This was so etiolated, so stretched out because of lack of sun. So I regrafted it. And we're gonna replicate the process in this etiolated cactus too. Look how etiolated it is. Just by looking at the bottom, it used to have enough sunlight. But in the middle, it stretched out, which means it was transferred to a spot with less sunlight than it needs. At the top, it begins to grow wider, which means it was transferred to another spot where it can get enough sunlight. Just by looking at it, we can see the history of the cactus sun exposure. Cut as flat as possible. I'm using a blue boy cactus rootstock, and for those of you asking about my soil mix, I'll show it to you shortly. Again, cut as flat as possible and chamfer the edges. Chamfering will help the scion sit on the rootstock flat without letting air in. This is one of the keys to a successful graft. Can you see these little rings in the middle? You need to align them. It is where the nutrients pass through from roots to scion. Bear in mind that we have two totally opposite orientation of the scion here. On the left side is the bottom part of the scion, while on the right side is the upper part of the scion. Will they look the same when they grow? Please let us know in the comments what do you think. But we will show you the end result at the end of this video. Cover with plastic to allow slow healing of cuts. On this one, I am using sulfur powder, which have an antifungal properties that helps heal faster and avoid rot. Then we leave it like this for a week. This is my soil mix. We need soil. This is just a regular garden soil. And we need humus. So the ratio is 2 parts soil and 3 parts pumice. And my setup is like this. They are under a UV protected clear roof. If your setup is outdoor, you may need to increase the pumice ratio. This is how they look after 2 months. And I want to show you how they look after 8 months. And I will measure them, so please keep on watching. Finally, look how gorgeous an etiolated cactus can be after 8 months. And to think, they were actually from a single scion. This one is the upper part of the scion that we cut. It grew big into 4.5 centimeters and even have two pups on the side. As we can see, it put its resources into growing. Once it reached the right size, it started to grow pups. While this one is 7 centimeters as a whole. This is the lower part of the scion that we cut. As you can see, the scion did not grow as big, but it put its energy into producing pups. So this one have more pups than the other one. Check out these other videos and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. And don't forget to smash that like button. See ya!